Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. Organizing your spreadsheets is one of the most important steps in creating easy-to-read and easy-to-analyze datasets. In this video, we will give you tips on how to format cells and header titles to prepare an unorganized dataset for analysis. This dataset has header titles that are cut off, making it hard to read the title. To see the entire title for each column, double-click or double-select the edge of the column. In this dataset, some of the header titles are too long. To make it easier to read, you can rename the header title something short and more precise. In the example here, we will change the header from Total Population, Gapminder, Height, and UN to GDP/capita. Now your headers are more concise. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.